everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video to share with you. I have got Roccabox and this is their June box. So as always, if you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this June box, then I'll put a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Roccabox is a UK monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 shipping. Inside you get between say 5 to 7 beauty products a month, and they range from skincare, makeup, hair care and tools. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. You can see past boxes on their website, plus they bring out limited edition boxes. Now I believe there is a limited edition box coming out shortly. If it's not already available by the time this video goes up, it will be coming out soon. They also have a £10 one-off mystery box on their site as well. I bought one a couple of months ago and it's some of the items I've had before and everything. I just wanted to see what you would get, and it's just like a monthly subscription box. You get the same amount of items, but obviously it's a mystery. You don't know what you're going to get. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Roccabox have kindly given me a discount code to give to you lot. It's not affiliated as such. I don't receive anything for it, but I'll pop that down in description, and all links and everything related to this box I'll pop down in description as well. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, then that'll bring up description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what we got inside. Virgin wines, little leaflet which you get every month, and then we got a little leaflet here that tells you everything about the products inside the box, and it gives you the price. And does it give you a sneak peek? No, it doesn't. I'm getting confused with other boxes. Or does it? No. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. Problem is, this is the third unboxing I've done this morning. So it's all like rolling into one. So I had to look up my information booklet to tell me all about Roccabox, which is ridiculous because I've been subscribed to them for a good few months. Plus, I was subscribed to them for a whole year when they first released. I think it was 2017. So you'd have thought all the information would be stored in there. But no sneak peek. But if I find anything out, I'll pop it down below to let you know. But it says here, hi Roccababes, pluck her up and flutter those eyelashes. We are treating you to a selfie ready box. This month's little pink box will have everything that you need to up your selfie game. We're not saying you need makeup for your selfies, but we do know that putting on some lipstick can really make you feel the boss babe that you are. We've covered all bases, so if you're not up for dressing up this weekend for your Zoom party, don't worry, this box is still full of goodies you can use to nourish, replenish and care for your skin. Love, Tia, the founder. So I'll refer to this box as we go along. There's 6 items in this box. So the first item in the box is an eyeliner by Ico London. It says liquid eyeliner and wide lash. Yeah, one wide lash. I wonder why it says wide lash. Maybe it'll say in the description. I do really like these eyeliners because it's a brush eyeliner, so it's easy for like sweeping as opposed to the felt tip. Felt tips are great, but I do prefer a brush. You've just got more of control, and that is fab. That is fab. We do get a lot of liquid eyeliners in subscription boxes. I wear them all the time and I go through them all really fast. And in all honesty, not all of them are great. I might try one and I think it's not for me, but on my hand at least, I'm pretty happy with how that comes out. I'm sure I've had these before, but as I said, I think smaller ones. I'm not keen on their mascaras. We've had a lot of their mascaras recently in different boxes. Just don't like the mascaras, but yeah, liquid eyeliner, it looks good. So in the leaflet it says that to buy this it'll cost you £16. Inspired by traditional Japanese calligraphy, this liner makes winged eyes effortless even for those of us who aren't gifted with the talent of makeup. The brush is smooth and allows for a single stroke which stays on all day without fading. So we've got a liner. Next we've got a Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, and these are by Charles Worthington, and we've got a Diamond Shine Conditioner for Weightless Mirror Shine, and these are the takeaway sizes, so they're 75ml, and we've got a shampoo there. Now I haven't tried these before. I've got a little box on the floor here full of little like travel size products, so whenever I go away for the night or a weekend or on a holiday, if I'm lucky to go on a holiday, then I've got a lot of items that I can choose. But when it comes to shampoos that I've never tried before, I'm a little bit dubious because I might hate them and then I'm stuck with them then for like a weekend or so. So, I don't know, maybe I might just give them a try. I know you can buy these takeaways, I think from Boots. It rings a bell. I'm sure I've seen, or the brand I've seen in Boots anyway. So no, I think I'll give it a go, see if I like it, and then if I do, I might get some more of these. Yeah, it's got it here. You can buy them from Boots, and they cost £4. £4 for the 2. Possibly. This shampoo and conditioner instantly revitalises dull looking hair and leaves it with a selfie worthy sparkle. Both are also enriched with a fragrance lock technology, leaving your hair smelling fresh all day long. It's got those. Next we've got, I think it's a lipstick by the brand May, and this is in the shade Tulip. Can't see much there. I haven't heard of this brand before. May. Oh, just my colour. Just my colour. That is gorgeous. I'll have a look now to see if we all receive that colour. What's it like? Yes. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love the shade. I love it. Whoa, to buy it costs you £25, and it's a Velvet Hydro Matte Lipstick. This super soft and super hydrating velvet formula provides the perfect matte colour without drying out your lips. It is a paraben-free formula with added vitamin E. This will be your girls' night essential in no time. So it doesn't have any extra information about whether we might receive different shades or not, but yeah, maybe not. Maybe we'll all have a tulip, but for me, I am chuffed to that. That is lovely. Next we've got a little sample by Avent. This is a Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer, and this is 10 mils. Even though it is tiny, I think the full size version, hold on a minute, I might have one down here. Yeah, I got a face serum here. Now we do get Avent skincare in a few different subscription boxes. So this full size is 30 mils, and this cost around £100. All their products come to around, I don't know, £70 to £100. So quite a high-end brand. So 10 mils, talking £30 odd worth. It's crazy when you think of it, isn't it? £30 odd worth for like 10 mils. Oh my gosh. I'm sure I've tried this before. I've got a few Avent products now, but the only product I don't like is their primer. I've tried that and it just doesn't do anything for my skin. So this is classed as a deluxe travel size, and the recommended retail price at this size is £20. This moisturiser deeply penetrates the skin to hydrate and instantly improve the appearance of any fine lines. It contains avocado oil, which intensely hydrates and softens the skin. When applying, work from the centre of the face out, and a little tip, if you gently tap your face while moisturising, it will stimulate circulation. So we've got a moisturiser, and lastly we've got a mask by Beauty Pro, and this is a rejuvenating mask. It's a sheet mask for your face. Collagen mask with green tea extract, and it's suitable for all skin types, and anti-aging formula, rebalances oily T-zones, hydrates dry areas, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Apply it to your face, leave for 15 minutes and then take off. I've tried a few masks from Beauty Pro, but I haven't tried this one. I do like things with collagen in them because I'm noticing my skin on the chin here, the older I'm getting, the worse it's looking. You can only really notice what I'm on about if you see me face to face in bright daylight. I've got quite a bit of scarring and around here as well due to acne. I had really bad cystic acne for most of my life, and it's only in the last 5-6 years that since I started medication to control it, that it's gone. The skin is so thin after having lots and lots of like boil type spots there that yeah, there's no elasticity there. So anything with collagen I'm quite happy to try, but as I said, I haven't tried this one before. So to buy this mask it costs you £4.95. This green tea mask targets problematic skin while balancing the natural oils and reduces redness. Green tea has many beneficial properties, including its antioxidant and antibacterial ingredients, and it helps to prevent skin damage. These masks are perfect for a pure indulgence session in a bubble bath with your favourite candle. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the products inside Roccabox's June box. There's 6 items in all. The box costs £13.95 and the value comes to just over £70. I think that's right. I'll have to add it all up again, but I'm sure, yeah, it's about £70, just over £70. We've got a takeaway set of shampoo and conditioner by Charles Worthington. We've got a Beauty Pro Rejuvenating Collagen Face Mask. We've got a little mini size of the Avent Moisturiser. We've got a gorgeous lipstick by the brand May. Never heard of May makeup for. And we've got an Ico London, a liquid eyeliner there. There's some really nice things there, really lovely. I'm really chuffed with that liquid eyeliner. Lipstick, super chuffed with that. Such a gorgeous colour, definitely a me colour. But yeah, overall I am really happy. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of this box? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.